Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will show you a collection of mini reclaimed wood, handmade crafts ideas that build beauty and profit. Every maker should join. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In today's creative economy, many reclaimed wood crafts have emerged as a powerful bridge between sustainability, artistry, and entrepreneurship. What was once seen as scrap or waste has now become the heartbeat of a new generation of makers who are redefining value, not through mass production, but through meaning, intention, and authenticity. The significance of many reclaimed, wood-creative handmade crafts lies not just in their visual beauty or tactile charm, but in their deeper ability to connect people, to nature, to heritage, and to one another. Each handcrafted piece carries a story of renewal, a message that beauty can be born from what was once forgotten, and that creativity can indeed transform limitations into opportunities. For entrepreneurs and woodcraft lovers, joining this movement is more than just starting a business. It is becoming part of a quiet but powerful revolution in how we live, create, and consume. Many reclaimed woodcrafts symbolize a shift toward conscious creation, a rebellion against the disposable mindset that dominates so much of modern life. These small, handmade items, from simple decor accents to functional art pieces, are proof that creativity doesn't need vast resources, fancy tools, or large-scale operations. What it needs is vision, patience, and respect for the material. Reclaimed wood, with its aged texture, natural imperfections, and organic character, offers a raw beauty that no synthetic substitute can replicate. It whispers of history and craftsmanship, of weathered barns, fallen trees, and old furniture reborn into new forms. For makers, it's not just a material, it's a muse. Each knot, crack, and grain pattern becomes a part of the story, an invitation to slow down and craft with meaning. For buyers, it's an emotional connection, a piece of the earth that tells a tale of renewal and care. For aspiring entrepreneurs, many reclaimed wood projects open a gateway into a thriving and sustainable market. Consumers today are actively seeking products that reflect their values, pieces that combine eco-friendly materials, authenticity, and handmade charm. A small wooden key holder, coaster, planter, or candle stand made from reclaimed wood isn't just decor. It's a symbol of mindful living. It appeals to those who value sustainability, but also crave individuality, the assurance that what they own has a story, a soul, and a purpose. For entrepreneurs, that demand represents incredible potential. Low production costs, creative flexibility, and the growing preference for handcrafted goods make many reclaimed wood crafts not only environmentally significant, but also financially empowering. The journey of creating such pieces becomes a process of transformation, both personal and professional. Each project is an exploration of how old materials can be given new meaning, how something once overlooked can become essential again. This approach nurtures both creativity and consciousness, as makers learn to see possibilities where others see waste. It's a deeply satisfying cycle of renewal. The maker gives life to the wood, and in return, the wood gives purpose to the maker. The more one engages in this practice, the more it becomes a lifestyle, one defined by patience, craftsmanship, and a respect for natural rhythm. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For modern makers, joining this movement means reconnecting with an ancient human instinct, the desire to create with one's hands. In a world dominated by speed, screens, and automation, the act of crafting something tangible from reclaimed material becomes a meditative practice. It grounds the maker in the moment and transforms work into art. The focus, the smell of the wood, the tactile feel of shaping and sanding, all of it creates a sense of fulfillment that digital achievements can rarely match. It's a return to simplicity, where creativity and sustainability coexist harmoniously. From a cultural perspective, this movement reflects a deeper societal change, a growing realization that sustainability is not a limitation, but a source of innovation. Many reclaimed woodcrafts demonstrate that small can be powerful, local can be global, and handmade can be high-end. They reflect a mindset shift where luxury is redefined not by perfection, but by authenticity and story. The cracks and imperfections in reclaimed wood are no longer flaws. They are marks of time, symbols of endurance, and reminders of life's natural cycles. This philosophy resonates with a generation that values experience over excess, craftsmanship over convenience, and purpose over profit. Moreover, as home decor trends continue to evolve, reclaimed woodcrafts have found their place in both minimalist and luxury interiors. Their organic tones blend effortlessly with modern aesthetics, bringing warmth and texture into contemporary spaces. Each piece, no matter how small, adds soul, a sense of grounding that modern homes often lack. A reclaimed wood shelf, wall art, or small plant holder doesn't just decorate, it humanizes. It tells visitors that the homeowner values nature, craft, and conscious living. This emotional depth gives handmade pieces an edge in the modern marketplace, where uniqueness and sustainability are increasingly prized over uniformity. From an entrepreneurial angle, many reclaimed woodcrafts are a scalable business opportunity. They allow creators to start small, learn the trade, and grow organically without massive investment. Each handcrafted product adds to a brand story, a collection of values expressed through design. Through platforms like Etsy, Instagram, or local craft fairs, makers can reach global audiences hungry for genuine handmade products. What begins as a side project in a small workshop can evolve into a full-fledged brand, built on creativity, sustainability, and authenticity. It's not just about selling decor. It's about sharing a philosophy, one that inspires others to live more consciously and creatively. Yet, beyond profit and aesthetics, what makes many reclaimed woodcrafts so significant is their emotional and philosophical depth. They represent hope, the idea that renewal is always possible, that even what's been discarded can have a second life. They remind us that beauty isn't about flawlessness, but about the stories we carry and the transformations we undergo. Every small reclaimed wood creation becomes a metaphor for resilience, proof that sustainability isn't just about saving resources, but about reimagining what we already have in new, meaningful ways. For woodcraft lovers and entrepreneurs alike, joining this movement means becoming part of something much larger than the craft itself. It's about contributing to a cultural evolution where art and ethics intertwine, where profit and purpose coexist, and where every handmade creation becomes an act of environmental respect. It's a statement against the throwaway culture and a celebration of mindful craftsmanship. Each project, no matter how small, becomes a ripple in a much bigger wave, one that's reshaping how the world perceives value, creativity, and sustainability. In the end, the significance of many reclaimed woodcrafts goes beyond the objects themselves. It lies in the transformation they inspire, of materials, of spaces, and of people. For the entrepreneur, they represent opportunity. For the maker, they offer fulfillment. For the world, they symbolize hope. And together, they form the foundation of a new creative movement, one that proves that when we craft with care, even the smallest piece of wood can spark a revolution of meaning, beauty, and sustainable prosperity. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked mini reclaimed wood handmade crafts ideas that build beauty and profit every maker should join. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.